Hello. I I feel like I should use some texture today. So I'm going to use today two different types of stencil. If you like to use only one type, if you have only one stencil, no problem, you can use one stencil. The purpose of using my stencils to give some sort of texture to my background actually. So I'm going to work today with texture and some collage technique as well, and some dilution inks and Lindsay's spray, glow stick. And today I was thinking to use tea bags, not tea bags actually, the used tea. I dried that and then I might use it for my background, the texture of this tea. I've never tried it before. This is the first time I'm going to experiment for you people, because some of my friend she told me that why don't you experiment with the tea bags. So thank you so much for this good idea. I'm going to let's start our work now. Now just organize these papers, these collage background, just randomly, but nicely, not just like this or like that, or maybe like this. No, it can be like that. Now time for gesso. Spatula or palette knife. As I told you that I'm going to use some texture. You know what? I might use clear gesso. I also have clear gesso. Yes, as I told you that you have to have clear gesso and white gesso, which is very essential for your mixed media. If you have these two things, you can start mixed media. Okay. The quality of this clear gesso is it will layer up nicely on your surface, and it will help paint or colors to react properly, and plus it will not hide your background. As I told you that I really want this background to show in my mixed media. I'm going to dry this page with my hair dryer. Okay. My gesso is dried now. Yes, see, it's dried, completely dried. Now this is the time to add more texture by using some stencils. I picked this one. or maybe this one, but I like this one. Okay. For texture, many people, those who do the mixed media, they use modeling paste, but one of my friend, she told me to buy this putty. This putty you can buy from any hardware shop, and it's very cheap. It's for 7 dirhams only, and modeling pastes and other mediums are quite expensive. So when I tried this one, it gives the same texture. So why not this one? So let's just start from here. Let's see. I'm going to dry it very fast and then come back. Okay, as I told you that I'm going to use tea bags. Tea, actually used tea, not tea bag. See the texture of this, also the color of this tea, awesome. This is pretty awesome. Okay, now I'm going to take my brush, okay, and for that I will use clear gesso, because clear gesso will help my tea to stick on the surface, and also it will not hide the beautiful color of this tea. So I will dip my brush in the clear gesso. Take this one. Pour some of the white gesso also here. I thought I should try with white gesso as well. Before I was using with clear gesso. So let's see what happens if we will use white gesso. I'll take it to dry quickly. Now I'm going to use this butterfly. I'm going to use my butterfly stem. Butterfly, and where should I add my title? Here's the title. I will use hot glue gun, hot glue, and hot glue here to stick my, this is it. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it and like it. Give a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching this. Bye.